even when the weather is not perfect. Fun Spot doesn't disappoint. They'll run their rides in the rain, wind, it doesn't matter. Even cars that are empty. As long as there's no lightning around, they kept this place going. Well, I have to say this is a little bit different than I am actually used to. Oh, I don't want to turn. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit of getting used to. The Tesla Model X. Oh, I'm excited. So my car went in the shop. It's going to take a few days. Tesla was kind enough to give me a loaner, a Model X. I never thought, my cars have never been in the shop, for anything broken or anything ever. And I've never ever had to get a loaner car. I got one now. Yawn. It is early morning. I am getting ready to get into this Model X. Yeah, it looks identical to mine almost. What I like about it are quite a few things over mine. Like, I really love this electric or this wind thing right here. I like that a lot. It's a pretty nice car to drive too. I like that it has active, or you can change the height. There is so much more to like about this, but it doesn't matter. I'm not even going to have mine for its entire life cycle. It is moving day. I grabbed this vehicle specifically to move the trailer with due to the fact that my car is in the shop and this one has a tow hitch, but they don't have the hitch on it. So I'm going back to my old job, my old work, my old trucking company, and grab a pickup up there and just drop this Tesla off there, grab the pickup, come move, and then go back up and swap up. It's very early in the morning and I am not ready for this. Luckily, the car drives by itself. I could just kick back. As for moving days, this might be the most stressful. It's like anytime something can go wrong, it does. Your car needs to go in the shop, and then you have to move your RV, and you can't. There's a 250 bus, but you got everything's going wrong. You got a $3,000 car repair bill, and you got to borrow a car from the dealership, and then you still have to go get another car to move. Okay, let's see if I can figure out the old-fashioned. Okay, this here's got a key. Ooh. Okay, how do you windshield wiper? It's been so long since I've driven a gas car. But man, I gotta thank my old company. I swear to God, any truck drivers out there need a job, just contact Cocky Trucking, because they are amazing. It is just way too hot to be moving today. It's like, I think 103 degrees plus humidity today. It's supposed to get up to 106 for almost every day through the whole month of July, which is going to be insane. Luckily, we're going to at the next campground throughout the entire month of July and don't have to move. So hopefully it cools off in August. It's not going to happen, is it? I'm going to get these tanks drained, and whoa, that is full. I cannot dump in that. I guess I got to turn around. This side looks a little bit better. It's a lot drier. Okay, so drain these tanks and get on to the next campground, and then get rid of this company pickup truck. Once again, thank you, Cocky, for letting me borrow this. I love you guys. Wish I was still working there. You can hire me back if you want. I'm ready. I'm ready. I do miss being a truck driver. It was one of my all-time favorite gigs. And for 30 years, it was amazing. But since we are planning on moving in now, 8 months, right at, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. My finger doesn't burn. March. Yeah, 9 months. I wish my finger bent that way. But who knows, man? Maybe there's a remote gig for trucking, maybe night dispatch or something. I don't know. I'm going to look at something. Even though I'm collecting Social Security, maybe I can do something on the side. So trucking's been in my blood for many, many years, and it's and the only company I want to work still with is these guys. So if I can't get a gig with them, it is just Social Security and whatever I make on YouTube. In the meantime, it looks like the sewage is empty. So how is this for an establishing shot? This is our front yard. So we moved, everything's looking pretty good. We're back here in the jungle area. Don't have much space, have maybe, a bumblebee. Maybe about 10 feet or so of a front yard, enough for our table. And that's about it. Our cars are parked out here, got the RV, and this is what we like. We like it down here in the jungly areas of Claremont at Thousand Trails. The D section is the best. We don't want to be up at the top where it's like a big parking lot. All the RVs are just crammed together. We like it down here. Even if sometimes we don't get enough space, at least there's other campers through the woods, just down. But we're kind of separated. This is what we like. Though, where we just left at the beginning of this video is probably my favorite campground, but for campsites, this is the best right here. Yeah, I like this. This is probably the best. We got such a small trailer. It doesn't matter. Now that we're all set up, now I need to go find a thing to do a video on. I was thinking possibly the chocolate museum on my next video, or maybe driving around this area and checking out every single building that it has a facade of something crazy, like the mermaid, the giant mermaid building, or the giant African looking building, or maybe the big orange Big Ben replica of the big clock tower in London. Maybe, and going and looking at all the architecture that they use the outside of their building to try and lure tourists in. Say, look, our building looks the coolest. But I'm not exactly sure. I think I might just chill, slap on the VR headset for a little bit and enjoy camp. Maybe eat a Ben & Jerry's and see if we can get any raccoons to come back here and get some videos of those guys throughout the week, because we always have raccoons here. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I know this video is, it is what it is. It's been a messed up week. Car breaks down, get the loaner, have to move. It's just like you can't make any plans for any content. And I know I use that as an excuse a lot. That's just because I'm getting old. And I think my brain isn't working as it did last year. I think every year it just keeps degrading all through here. So we'll just have to, maybe I need to eat some Wheaties. Ooh, I just seen a lizard over here. We got critters all through here. Anyway, until the next time, thanks for tuning in. I'll find something to do, I promise, and I'll capture it. If I just have to go driving around until something happens. Until then, just kick your TV off, kick your phone off, your tablet, your computer, whatever you're watching this on, and go enjoy your day. Until then, peace, everybody.